Good morning, students. I hope everybody is keeping fine. So today we are going to solve the numericals of work, power and energy. Exercise second A. So बच्चे, what is the first step for that? Read the statement carefully. See which thing is given to you in the statement. So a body when acted upon by a force of 10 kgf, it means force is given 10 kgf, gets displaced by 0.5 meter. Displacement is given and we have to find the work done. So always remember all that quantity is given to you, they should be having SI units, and force is measured in newtons. We have to convert kgf into newton. And in the lower classes beta you have done 1 kgf is equal to 10 newton or 9.8 newton. It depends on the value of G. If in the statement it is given 10 newton per kg or 10 meter per second square, you have to write down 10 newton. If it is given 9.8, you have to write down 9.8 newton. And if nothing is given to you, prefer to use 1 kgf is equal to 10 newton. So 10 will be multiplied by 10, so it will be 100 newton. Displacement is already given. So our first part is in the direction of force. On the side, please write down the formulas. W is equal to F multiplied by S. That is first formula. Second formula is Fs cos theta, where theta is the angle between force and displacement. And बच्चे third formula is M into G into H when we are talking about the gravitational force. So now we have to see in the first part which formula we will use. So we will use W is equal to F into S. So write down the formula, then substitute the values. It will be 100 Newton multiplied by 0.5 meter. Then 100 multiplied by, remove the decimal, and it will be 5 divided by 10 Newton meter. So cutting will be there. It will be 50 Newton meter or 50 joule, because 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. Now come to the second point. At an angle of 60 degree with the force, it means angle between force and displacement is given. So it is very clear from the formulas we have to use W is equal to Fs cos theta. Now again substitute the values. F is 100, S is 0.5 and cos theta is 60 degree. So again please substitute the value of cos 60. It will be 1 by 2. I think in the trigonometry you have studied cos 60 is 1 by 2. Again solve it. You will get the answer 25 joule. Now come to the third point. Normal to the force. Normal means when the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. So it will be W is equal to Fs cos theta. Then substitute the values. It will be cos 90. Then cos 90 is always बच्चे 0. So here 0 multiplied by anything, it will be 0. So our answer will be 0. And please with the 0, that is your choice, you want to write down the unit or not, but prefer to write down. So 0 u. In this way you have to solve the numericals. So first step, learn all the formulas, read the statement very carefully, and then write down which quantities are given to you, which thing you have to find out. According to that, please substitute the values, use the formula. And in the same way full exercise you have to solve. Full exercise, some tough numericals already I have given in the sheet, second sheet, and rest of the numericals please solve. If you will not be able to solve, you have to tick it, and when we will meet we will solve. And please stay at home, stay safe, and may God bless you.